Hi, good evening all. Myself Rajesh from AWS, and I'm a senior database consultant. And I would like to talk about some of the feature what we have. One of the powerful feature actually, which we have in PostgreSQL, which is a predefined roles, and given from like Postgres 14 onwards, we have seen this feature is introduced, and from last few versions also we got a few more roles added, which can be used very frequently. Okay, but what mistakes we do is, so I'll just give, so this is the list of what predefined roles we have from Postgres 14 to like 18. And like now I'm in the party mode. So understand that, okay, I got a request from one of the customer that's saying that, okay, Rajesh, I just want to have one user which will be doing a monitoring on the database, and please create it and give it to me. So now I'm in the party mode, right? So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and create one user with super user privileges, okay? And I'll just leave, okay? Now I'm enjoying in the party. I got a call that one of the table, which is a business table, that got dropped by the developer or whoever requested. So that is a nightmare for me. So to avoid these kind of situations, what we will do definitely, one of the security area we consider, right? So that is like access control. So when we talk about the access control, definitely we will see that what granular level of access we will give it to the, what granular level privileges we will be giving it to the user, what is requested, right? So there, instead of giving, super user, I would have given like a select, then usage on the schema, and all like 4 to 5 steps I have to perform, right? So now I don't want to perform all these 4 to 5 steps, because if I have 20 schemas, 20 into 5 steps equal to some like count, right? So instead of that, from Postgres 14 onwards, we got good feature, which is like predefined roles. And instead of giving these many or executing these many commands, I'll just go ahead and tell that there is one of the role that is PG monitor. So I'll just say that grant PG monitor to that developer user, and he'll be getting all the access for monitoring. Okay, so let's see. So these are the roles, okay, what we have, and this can be used because most of the times I see that customers are upgrading their databases from lower to higher versions, but they are forgetting these options what we have, and that can be used because they'll just follow what legacy they have and they'll just use that, okay? So one of the things that needs to consider is we have good features that can be leveraged and used. So let's see disadvantages if I don't have the predefined roles. So overprivileged users, manual role creation burden. Like I said, if you have 20, 30 schemas, then definitely you have to do more manual work if you are granting the access on schema level, right? Then, increase the attack. Like if I said, right, they can delete or do some miscellaneous activity on the database that can cause a business impact. Then auditing will be difficult if you have like multiple commands execution on your databases. So what are the advantages of predefined roles? So here are some of the advantages, like you can use a single command to execute or give the permissions to user, then enhance security, then faster like team onboarding, then prevent super user misuses, right? So these are the features what you need to consider, and I would like to conclude by recommendation. So always leverage predefined roles if you already have, and if you think that, okay, whatever predefined roles are not usable, or I need to have more privileges, then only go for the custom roles. Okay, thank you.